Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your reverse light on this beautiful Ford F-150 2018. Let's get started. Opening up right here, these two. Make sure you have an 8mm wrench. I find it easy when you loosen up both at the same time. One, the other one. Once you're done removing the screws here, it's an easy snap right out. There you go. Once you get the case out, make sure you have some nice clean gloves. You don't want to burn your bulbs. But your reverse light is located at the bottom part of the case. Then you just want to twist to the left. Boom. She comes right out. Pull out easily. Okay, now let's get our new light. AUXITO. Let's open up the package. Now let's compare halogen versus LED. It's Beauty and the Beast right here. Let's try her out. Plug her in. Same way you pulled it out. Now you push it back in. Should snap right in. Make sure it matches. Boom, it clicks right in. Then puzzle it, let it sink in the knob right here, and then twist to the right. She's locked in, ready to go. Snap the case back in. Make sure that the little 3 points are all matching at the same time. And don't forget to put these back along with the lower one. Real tight, real fast, and you're done. Let's go. Congratulations on your new upgrade, and hopefully you chose AUXITO. See more, drive safer, go LED.